Hey guys, do you know Facebook Messenger has a new feature, or you can say a new trick, that you can use to send message to the person you want to, but they won't get any notification of that message you have sent. So you can also call it a silent messaging. So for sending this, just open your messenger and go to the conversation of that person you want to send message without sending them notifications. After that, open up your keyboard, from there go to symbol and add the slash option. After that, here you can see from this close look, silent suggestion. You can simply tap on it, and if you don't get this, you can write this silent, but it won't work until it gets this colored option. So if you write silent, you definitely will get this suggestion. So from there, just tap on it. After that, you can write whatever you want to, and tap on the send options. They will get this message, but they won't get any notifications because of this message. So it's definitely silent messaging. If you don't know about this, now you know. And it's supported on every platform, every messages. So you can send from your Android device to your friend's iPhone or Linux or whatever device they are using. So that's it guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe and bell icon, because more videos are coming soon. I'm Juan, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.